Embark on a culinary journey to Brazil with this authentic and detailed Pudim de Leite Condensado recipe. This creamy, luscious dessert is a beloved staple in Brazilian cuisine, celebrated for its smooth texture and rich caramel flavor. Ingredients: 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, 1 can measure of regular milk, 3 large eggs, 1 cup of sugar for the caramel, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract optional. Instructions: 1. Caramel preparation. Melt the sugar over medium heat, stirring constantly until it turns golden. Pour into a pudding mold. 2. Pudim mixture. Blend the condensed milk, regular milk, eggs, and vanilla until smooth. 3. Baking. Bake in a water bath at 350°F175°C for about 1.5 hours. 4. Cooling and unmolding. Let cool, then refrigerate for at least 4 hours. To unmold, run a knife around the edges and flip over onto a plate. Serving suggestions: serve chilled, garnished with fresh berries or whipped cream. Tips for perfect pudim: ensure all ingredients are at room temperature, and strain the mixture for a smoother texture.